Morning to all. Myself Yashika, Department of Zoology, Arya College, Ludhiana. Today I am going to discuss about the topic hormones. As we all know, what are hormones? These are the chemical substances which are secreted by different tissues, cell, organs to act specific functions. From where they get secreted? These get secreted from glands. What are glands? Glands may be the cell, tissue, or an organ which secretes certain chemical compounds required for particular functions. There are three types of glands: exocrine glands, endocrine glands, and heterocrine glands. First of all, exocrine glands. Exocrine glands are the glands which have ducts or tubes. That means they secrete their secretion directly into tubes or ducts. For example, salivary gland. Then comes endocrine gland. Endocrine gland are the ductless gland. That means they secrete their secretions directly into the blood for transport to the site of actions, and their study is called endocrinology. Then third is heterocrine gland. Heterocrine gland have both endocrine as well as exocrine functions. That means they can secrete in blood also or in ducts also. Then came major centers of endocrine systems. First of all, pituitary gland. It secretes all the stimulating hormones which act on particular organ to secrete particular hormone. Then come thyroid gland, which secrete thyroxine hormone. Then adrenal gland, pancreas, ovary, and testicles in case of males. Now, what are hormones? Hormones are derived from Greek word hormoin, which means to excite or to stimulate. We have already discussed its definition, that is, it is a chemical substance produced by the body to control the functions of various organs. Who discovered the word hormone, or particularly first hormone? First hormone was discovered by two physiologists, that is William Bayliss and Ernest Starling in 1903. First hormone discovered was secretin, coming from duodenal mucous membrane, stimulating the secretion of pancreatic juice. Then we came to know about the classification of hormones. Hormone is divided into three classes, that is amino acid derivatives, peptides, and steroids. First of all, amino acid derivatives. As the name suggests, it is derived from amino acids, which are building blocks of proteins. First hormone came under this categories epinephrine and norepinephrine. These are secreted from adrenal gland and also called as emergency hormones. Then come thyroxine, which is secreted from thyroid gland. It can balance all the functions of the body. Epinephrine and norepinephrine, emergency hormones, as they control strong emotions like fear, anger, or high blood pressure, increased heart rate, or increased muscular strength, etc. Thyroxine plays vital role in regulating body's metabolic rate as well as all the digestive functions. Then come next class of hormone is peptide hormones, that is adrenocorticotrophin hormone, which is secreted from anterior lobe of pituitary. Then melanocyte stimulating hormone, which is secreted from intermediate lobe of pituitary. Then oxytocin and vasopressin, which is secreted from posterior lobe of pituitary. There are three lobes of pituitary glands which secrete various hormones. Then come insulin and glucagon, which is secreted by pancreas. Then calcitonin from thyroid glands. What functions are performed by these hormones? First of all, ACTH performs the release of glucocorticoids, which control the sugar level in the body. Then MSH or melanocyte stimulating hormone, it's increase or decrease the secretion of melanin in skin and hair. Then oxytocin, it causes contraction of uterus during the childbirth. Then vasopressin, it regulates the water absorption, reabsorption in collecting tubule. Then insulin, we all know insulin controls the glucose level by signaling the liver to take in glucose from blood. Then glucagon performs a different function than insulin, that is, it releases the glucose from liver to blood, which is already stored. Then calcitonin reduces the blood calcium level and prevents the absorption of calcium from intestine. Then came another class of hormone, that is steroid hormones. These are the hormones particularly secreted by testes, ovaries, and placenta. That means they regulate the reproductive functions of the body. These include testosterone, estrogen, and progesterone. Testosterone, we all know it is a male hormone which controls all the function of male reproductive system. Estrogen and progesterone are both female hormones which regulate the reproductive functions in females. Then what are common characteristics which are shared by all the hormones? First of all, chemical messengers. These are the chemical messengers secreted by living cells. Then these all are carried by bloodstream to target organs. Then these are the organic compounds which have low molecular weight and act away from the site of production. And these are particular in nature or specific in nature. That means they will act only that organ